What's up, guys? Welcome back. Like, comment, subscribe, hurry up. What's going on with my car? I haven't driven this thing since fucking December. This thing's just been rotting away, baby. No salt though, if you can look at it. Fucking, yeah, man. I was just pulling out of this parking spot right here, and I backed out and I cut the wheel as hard as I could, and it made a boof sound. I was just like, oh shit. So right now on start it makes like a clink 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 sound. We're gonna see what's going on. I'm getting this thing towed out to my mechanic today. Just went out to AutoZone, got my battery charged, so get you guys some visuals, some audios, all that shit. But your boy's hurt, so let's see what's going on with this thing, guys. Fucking puts a pit in my stomach. Fucking hey, boys. This fucking thing's just been rotting away. Ugh. Man. Neglected she has been. Ugh, man. Heavy bitch. Come on, you motherfucker. Ugh. Fuck. Come on, fucking.
Monster kill.
Short finger. Fuck. Oh, man. Yeah. It's my 2015 SI. Full bolt on. Stock motor that didn't do anything inside. Stock tranny. Recently replaced OEM clutch. Might have broke, who knows? We're here to find that out. Got some Continental fucking dry wet snows. You know what kind of ticket price comes with those. Running flex fuel. Currently got E85 in there. It's probably fucking rotten, but I'm gonna put this battery in and let's see what she does. But first things first. Come on, baby. Be a 10 mil, right? You're a 10 mil, right? Oh, alright, what the fuck I was thinking. Alright, here we go. Get everything out of my way so I'm not fucking sitting there readjusting fucking every millisecond. Look at this one. Innovative. Hold on. Look at him go. Big fuck. Going sideways. Right there. Yeah, it's too good to be true, guys. What life? Can you guys even see in there? All that for that, right? Oh, it comes out. Alright. That thing's a pain in the ass. This is on, right? Cool. Oh, this thing's junk, huh? Everything's not okay. Come on, baby. Wow. I got some loose terminals, but I think I can get it to start. Whew. Alright, let's do it. If it even charged. Whew. Here we go, boys. Not good. Clutch in. Gas. Oof. I have no idea, dude. Well, you can see right here it's wearing the belt. Smells like clutch. Definitely something. Yeah, the belt's fucking tearing up. Shit, not good, guys. Ugh. Help me. Fuck. Yeah, that's all I got to say. So we're gonna, yeah. So we're gonna get this prick towed to my buddies over there at TRC Auto. Give it a peep. Yeah, I did all the work for my bolt-ons and installed all my shit. Dude, pray for your boy. Pray for your boy. Good news though, I just got my license back, so expect more content. I'll be fucking out in the real world without having to fucking think I'm going to jail every time, so that's a positivity. Fucking gonna be out starting to cut grass soon. I plan on making a separate YouTube channel for lawn care fucking content so we can keep it organized. But fuck. Damn, kid. It's gonna be some bread, kid. Fuck.